Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Play Store not working in Motorola G67. So before starting video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. So let's start the video without wasting time. First of all, clear cache and data. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Search Play Store. Now click on Play Store. Scroll down, click on storage at cache. Now here you will see two options, clear cache and clear storage. And if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. And if you want to clear storage, then click on clear storage and click on delete. After click on delete, this app data included files and setting will be permanently delete for this device. Now go back. After that, check net. After check net, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off icon and click on restart. After click on restart, restart your device. Now go back. After that, update all apps. Now click on Play Store. Click on your profile icon. Scroll down. Click on manage apps and device. Click on update available. Now here you will see update app. Select app that you want to update. After selecting app, click on update. After click on update, selected app will be updated from your phone. And if you want to update all app, then click on update all. After click on update all app will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again open setting. Scroll down. Click on system updates. Scroll down. Click on check for updates. Click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, factory reset. Again open setting. Scroll down. Click on system. Scroll down. Click on reset options. Scroll down. Click on erase all data factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, music, photo, video will be deleted from your phone. This is how you can fix Play Store not working in Motorola G67. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.